What's going on, everyone? This is your man Ant, and welcome to a hands-on preview with btminers, the Antminer S21. Unfortunately, we don't have one here because Bitmain don't love us enough to send us one. On September 24th, 2023, Bitmain hosted the World Digital Mining Summit at the Ritz-Carlton Hotel in Hong Kong, China. And at this summit, they announced their newest Bitcoin miner, a miner so revolutionary, powerful, that it has a new number. Ladies and gentlemen, we officially passed the S19 and we are in the age of the S21 series.
Oh my God! Wow!
Bitmain released two versions of the miner, the regular fan cooling miner and the Hydro. And today we're going to talk about the more popular version, which is the fan cooling S21. Where do I begin about the specs of the Antminer S21? Let's start with everyone is the most curious about, the hash rate. While the S21 and its predecessors looks alike on the outside, the previous Bitcoin Antminers, the S19s, were topped around 150 terahash or less. But the S21 is expected to run at 200 terahash at a 25% increase. They're able to achieve this because this new model's hashboard will start using the newest state-of-art technology, 5 nanometers semiconductor chips. For those out there that don't know, semiconductor chips are chips that use in phones, computers, and data processors like our beloved Bitcoin miners. The smaller these chips are, the faster the machine can calculate, all while maintaining a similar power consumption around 3,500 watts. A downside to all of these extra power packed in pretty much in the same size space of all the chips will produce a bit more heat. For those of you out there that mined crypto before, you know heat release is one of the biggest concerns in maintaining the miners. Overheating is the #1 cause of miner shutdowns during the summer. To accommodate for the excess heat, the S21 series will now able to operate as high as 45 degrees Celsius, which is 113 degrees Fahrenheit, as opposed to the previous models shutting down at 40 Celsius or at 104 degrees Fahrenheit. Another major change of the S21 is the plugs. Previously, the S19s were using two Bitmain C13s. This means users would need to install 2 outlets per miner. From the miners we saw at the conference, it seems that maybe Bitmain was inspired by Apple. This is likely to be the new receptor for the miners. I wasn't able to find the name of these type of receptors or the plugs that will go with it, but I'm sure for more information will be released as we approach the release date. The Antminer S21 is expected to be released Q1 or Q2 of 2024, meaning January to June. I know that's a huge window for a release. Here at btminers, we have now begun the pre-order process for the Antminer S21. This machine can be purchased in bulk through group buy or individually. You asking yourself, Ant, what is a group buy? This is a purchasing method popular in Asia and very new to Europe and America. For most companies, better price available for customers can buy at a certain quantity. When people participate in a group buy, they are coming together as a community to purchase the product so they can reach the quantity required to get the wholesale bulk price. For our group buy of the Antminer S21, the group buy price is $3,000 per unit plus $200 shipping per unit. We are looking to get enough buyers to participate so we can send in our order to Bitmain at an unbeatable price. For our group buy, we require a minimum order of 6 units and a down payment of 35%, which is $1,050 per miner. If we do hit the 54 units requirement, participants will simply need to pay the remaining balance of 65% plus shipping. If we don't make it, deposits will be simply refunded. The cutoff date for the group buy is October 7th. Information will be in the description. This is your man Ant. This has been a hands-on preview of the Antminer S21. Until next time, happy mining.